Hello. Welcome to this particular class. I'm going to teach you how to go from just a freelancer to an agency owner. This is the next level of a creative success for you, how to scale your business. Now, why make this transition? Number one, client overflow. Now, you have more quality clients than one can actually realistically handle while maintaining excellence. Authority building, when you establish a brand and you go to the authority, when you establish your brand, a brand of owning a freelance agency, your pricing increases. Number three, bigger contracts. You get access to enterprise level projects because you are an agency right now. Now let's go. The mindset is different. The freelancer approach and the agency approach is different. Now, the freelance approach is that you deliver everything personally. You're limited by your own time and skills. Like client pays for your individual expertise. Revenue is capped at your capacity. But when you're an agency, you orchestrate a team delivery. You leverage collective expertise and capacity because you pay people. Then clients pay for comprehensive solutions. Revenue scales with your team growth. Building your dream team. Number one, start small and strategic. Begin with one or two people. Number two, essential first roles. Virtual assistant for admin, tasks, and specific creative that can help you do your work. Maybe for you can actually get project manager, for client coordination, or you can actually get the people that will actually do the skills that instead of you being the one doing it. Number three, scale systematically. Add team members based on consistent client demand, not projected growth. Branding your agency for success. Number one, choose a memorable name, have a very good online presence, websites, have social proof of what you've done, build everything. While clients will always choose agency, agency represents stability, expertise, and accountability that solo freelancers simply cannot match at scale. Perceived stability. When clients view agency as more reliable for long-term projects and ongoing relationship. Comprehensive solution. Agency offer end-to-end service that eliminates the client's needs to coordinate multiple freelancers. Now, agency pricing, you can either charge per project, or you can charge per solution, or you can actually do a retainer contract. Understand? So the challenges you're going to face is people management, quality control, because you're not the one doing the work. So you have to like be actually checking up whether those people you employed are doing well. Culture building, because you're creating a collaborative environment that attracts clients, top talents, and keeps clients consistently impressed with your results. So culture building, you need to instill value in your people and in your environment, in your work environment. This is just a real story, or this is just a real story example. Maybe you started as a freelancer, as a social media consultant working from home. Then God bless you, have a lot of clients. Then you now grow to a full service digital marketing agency. You understand? Then you employ like five people. Then when you now increase your client, then from team members, you now went to value. You started getting more jobs. So from $1,200 projects, you started getting 15K dollars projects plus retainers. That means your freelancers are on retainers. That means your company is on retainer in those companies. That means your freelancers are automatically doing your work. And within 18 months, the transformation has led to your personal revenue growth times 10 and partnership with a lot of Fortune 500 clients seeking comprehensive digital strategies. So this is how you grow. You start one, you increase to like three to five. When you increase to three to five, you go for more jobs, then you increase more to like higher, higher jobs. So it's all about starting small and your agency journey starts now, just be thinking bigger. You've mastered the craft of freelancing. Now it's time to master the art of business ownership. Your expertise deserve to scale beyond your limitation, your beyond your solo work. You need to step into leadership. You need to transform that your service providing skills into business owners, into business ownership that would just shape the industry. Remember, you're not just selling your skill, you're selling valuable, you're changing industry. Because of your company, you can change nation and you're building a legacy as well. Because when you create something bigger than yourself, it continues even after you and it grows beyond your personal capacity eventually. So it's always good to like create an agency eventually, but not when you're a beginner freelancer. I also Everyone is still on the journey. Nobody almost arrive. When you arrive, you're no more in this earth again. So keep on working and success is yours.